Hold up. Are we gonna make this happen? Because I can kind of see it happening. Now, if you don't see the vision right now, trust the processo. I'm going to make myself look like Lola from Shark Tale and making my childhood dreams come true. I'm sorry, but she was always the hottest fish. And you cannot deny that. Lola, here I come. So I'm gonna do some complexion because Lola's, smooth. Also, my friend is picking me up in 20 minutes, so we gotta hurry up. Now, the question is, should I do red eyebrows? I'm doing red eyebrows. She does have a little bit of contouring going on, so I guess we're doing that. I will contour my nose, even though she doesn't have a nose, because she's, a fish. But I'm human and I do have a nose, so yeah. Powder myself. Oh, as I was saying, a little bit of powder. Gotta add some more contour, because even the fish has a better tan than me. Okay, now the red eyebrows. Now we add red. Is it just me or is this low-key like cool? So the brows are here. I don't know if I love them or hate them. I will move on to the eyeshadow. I think I'm going in with the pink first. It just seems like a logical way to go, Just keep swimming. Okay, she has purple eyeshadow. I think it's gonna look bad, but I'm risking it all. Is this the right shade of... That did not go as planned. Oh, this is bad. I'm gonna keep adding purple until it makes sense. This is absolutely horrific, but you know what they say. Even shit looks good with glitter on it. But we are moving in a direction for sure. Time for the lenses. Oh, bam. I think it's slowly getting a little Lola-esque. She has some eyeliner going. Okay, now her lips. She's got some juicy lippies. Time for that trend to work. I don't know how do y'all do it. I'm gonna finish everything and I'm gonna get back. And this is the finished look. I would say it's pretty accurate. Now, is it giving the vibes? Is it giving what it needs to give? I want to make this a series, so tell me which character I should do next. And yeah, tell me what you think about Lola.